Welcome to Knowledge Ascension. Today I'll show you how to make your ElevenLabs voice output faster, updated for 2024. First, in the ElevenLabs editor, locate the speed adjustment setting. This you can find when you click on the settings button. So if you increase the stability, it actually manages to put on more words into the speech in lesser time. So obviously the speed is going to increase. So you can play with these sliders and you can actually save the setting that is actually suitable for you. There is also one more place where you can change the settings. So you can see simple and advanced. So once you click on advanced button, you'll see the same sliders. You can also adjust here and you can save these for your future projects. So once you have found the perfect balance, save these settings for a consistent, quick voice output on all future projects. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more ElevenLab tips.